Alright, so the differences between the early units and the late units and 45 RFE and 68 RFE. These are the bolts I was talking about. On the earlier ones, if you leave them out, it won't move. Front seal goes into the pump instead of the front cover. You also have this extra seal that goes around the pump cover to seal it. This is your pump cover. You'll have a snap ring that goes around here, around the pump to hold it in. Something I didn't mention in the other one, but you can see where the old sealant used to be on here. This is anaerobic gasket sealer. Put some of that on there. 68 RFE and 45 RFE, this pressure plate here is different. It has a step up on both sides. I'm sorry, not this plate, this other plate, this one here. You can see how it steps up on both sides. 68 RFE, it'll step down on one side. That goes towards the overdrives. You want to step up towards the reverse. Put it the other way, you're going to have no reverse. Some of the other things is most of the bearings are thin like this. The only two that, actually there's three that's different. You got, see this little lip right here? That goes on this bearing here. Also the one on the back of the rear planet here. And then the other thick bearing goes on the back of this front planet behind here. All the rest of the bearings are all the same. And you can see how these lugs here are different. Where it connects in on here instead of inside it like on the 68 RFE. The sprag here, you look down here, you got the two half moon clips. You got the snap ring like this one that holds the sprag up. And you put the sprag in, there's another snap ring that goes on the top here. I was talking before about the filters, how they have a plastic insert. That's what happened on this one. Somebody changed the fluid on it and didn't make sure that this was tight. I'm telling you, a lot of these come in loose, and when you put the filter on there, this filter will fall off, and that's what happened. This filter was laying in the pan. It smoked the overdrive clutches, and pump gear is actually, it still turns, but it won't come out of there. I mean, I could get it out if I wanted to, but the pump's no good, so there ain't no point. And I don't know if you can see it, but right in here, these are all scored up. The sun gear that goes here is different. It's actually separated. On the other one, it's part of it. Here's the valve body. Got the single spring here. You can see the rest of these are all the same. 68 RFE, they're different. You can see we got the 7 check balls. 68 RFE, leaving out this ball and this ball.